Wait a minute. Let me wipe the camera off. It's a little dusty. I haven't been vlogging lately. What's up, family? What's going on? Yo, look, I'm doing 2 videos today. I'm uploading 2 videos because, frankly, I haven't uploaded nothing. And it says 3 weeks. I looked, I was like, dang, 3 weeks? I've been gone that long? Man, I've been gone, family. But, I've been dealing with my little one, in my businesses, my companies, and it's just awesome. You guys all know I'm an entrepreneur. I run companies and businesses on and offline. A lot of them are funded for my online stuff, but we're not even gonna get into all that. Today is gonna be a quick tip for the retail arbitrage, the wholesalers, the people who are sending in items to Amazon. This is just gonna be a quick tip about how you can mummify boxes, guys. I do this all the time. If you guys don't know, if you're sending in items to Amazon, you guys get charged the shipment fees, not the FBA fees. That's one fee. The shipment to ship your boxes to Amazon, right? They charge you more so on the volume, right? The circumference of the box, the parameters, rather than the weight. The weight is really nothing, really. You can have like a 50-pound box and it still be like $8, $10. It just depends on how Amazon's feeling, right? But the shape and the width and the height, the diameter, that is really what matters the most because it takes up space in the FBA warehouse. Hold on, my daughter's crying. Okay, Moo. Okay. Oh, the pillow almost fell on you. Here. Want your nookie? Here you go. Oh, you don't want it. Okay, so the weight, the diameter, all that. I mean, not the weight. Just the box itself. So, anyways, this is a quick tip. This is a quick tip, family. Right now, as you guys can see, I'm taking a shipment, and look at this ugly box. I am mummifying this box. Look at this. I got I took a big box. I'm cutting it up. To fit the exact shape of the 2 items that Amazon split my shipment up into like several shipments. So instead of just putting those 2 items or 3 items or whatever into a larger box and wasting unnecessary space inside the box, which Amazon charges you more for, I'd rather mummify my box, guys. So this is what I'm doing. As you guys can see, like I got the tape, the knife, everything right here. I cut the box up, I fold it up. I'm like taking shapes, I'm cutting shapes, and I'm just mummifying the box. Excuse my daughter, guys. Hold on. Yep, daddy life. Daddy life is no joke. Daddy life. Anyways, guys, like I was saying, I'm mummifying boxes. I got the tape here, I got the knife here. I got the kombucha here for energy, some healthy energy, and also a couple of my, my family members, a couple of you guys online that said, "Yo, LeVar, looks like you gained some weight. You working out and everything." Yeah, you guys already know I'm working out, gain a little vegan weight at that too. So I'm gonna post some more stuff about that. People want to know about that, but that's not about this right now. This is about making money and quick tips. Anyways, yeah, guys. So mummify your boxes. So if you have like 1 or 2 items, 3 or 4 items, whatever, and you got this like big box and you're just like, "Oh, I'm just gonna throw them all in there and send it in." Don't do that because Amazon. I mean, unless it's just you have to, last resort, really fast. You got to get to UPS. Okay, by any means necessary, do what you got to do. But if you can, take the time to either find a box that's going to fit your items like really snug, or mummify your box. A couple of the gurus might try to shun me for this and say, "Oh no, you don't do it like that. You can't do it like that. You gotta make sure everything's nice and even, and you gotta get a box, you gotta buy a box. You can't mummify a box, you can't cut up a box and put it together. Amazon won't approve it." Listen, I've been doing it. I haven't got a complaint yet. Amazon hasn't penalized me for anything. So, I mean, I haven't gotten in trouble. So, I think you can do it, guys. Save your money. Save your money. Don't listen to these guys that trying to make money off you. But anyways, if I get in trouble for doing this, I will let you know. Like, red flag. Like, "Hey, guys, they penalized me." But I've done this countless amounts of times, and everything's cool. So, I don't care what they say. The haters, you guys already know, they be hating. They be hating. But anyways, I mean, you see me doing it. Look, you see me doing it. I got like the Home Depot heavy duty box sign right here, then a piece of it right here because I cut it and I'm taping it, and you guys can see this is, and I'm gonna send this in today. and I got like 2 more boxes to mummify. You know what I mean? And it is what it is. I'm saving that money. Every dollar and every penny, every dime counts in this industry. You guys already know, right? So yeah. So that's a quick tip, guys. I know I haven't been here. I don't want to talk your ears off. This is 2 videos in one. I'm uploading my, my other video where I'm talking about, I forget what I'm talking about. I shot that a couple days ago. And this one, which I just shot today. So here's a gift to you guys. 2 videos in one night because I haven't been here, but I'm coming back full throttle. I got some big surprises coming for my family. I love you guys, and stay healthy, stay blessed, get that money, stay fit too, man. Hey. Don't forget about physical fitness. Physical fitness is important. Health, inner and outer, is important. Love yourself, love your life, all around. Wealth, happiness, what is it? Health, wealth, happiness. You already know, right? Everything. Baby's crying again, so I gotta go attend. Make sure you subscribe. If you're not a part of the family, you gotta get a part of the family, guys. I got a big thing coming. I'm gonna help everybody make some money. The community, the private community is coming soon. The private community is coming soon. So let's go, guys. I got you. I'm LeVar. You guys already know. I am out of here. I'll be back again, guys. I'm not going to be gone that long again, I promise. All right? Peace.